Today I'm doing something absolutely insane. I'm going to see if I could set up my entire business legally using Tailor Brands. So I found out that Tailor Brands is like a business builder hub with everything I need to set up my business for success. It's sort of like if Canva, my accountant, my hype squad, maybe even a lawyer, they came together, they all had a baby, and that baby wanted me to win. Step one, LLC. If you are watching this video and you're like, what's an LLC? Think of it as like a fireproof barrier around all of your personal information and possessions. It separates all of your personal assets from your business assets. So that means no more mixing the soy wax with your rent. With Tailor Brands, you're not just getting an LLC registered paper. You're getting this entire suite of tools to make sure you're set up for success. Creating an LLC is so easy and so fun, guys. All you do is just type in your state of choice here, go through a few prompts, and then bam, you got a beautiful dashboard ready and set up for your business. See, as you can see, you have the opportunity to set up your LLC here, your logo, licenses and permits, domain, sales tax, finance manager, everything you need all in one easy to use, made for dummies platform. As a small business owner, we're always trying to control the controllables and make sure that we own the outcomes, but it can be such gray area. So just having something like Tailor Brands really helps you feel confident. It's sort of like a GPS for your candle business. It's telling you exactly where to go, where to move, and when. And it makes you feel more professional. Okay, so an EIN is basically your business's social security number. You basically need that to open a business account, apply for loans, create credit in your business name. Tailor Brands will handle all of that for you, so there's less fear. All you need is to log in and tell them, hey, I need an EIN. They go, okay, period. That way, you're not sitting at 2 a.m. on the IRS website going through all of their articles of information. You can be your own registered agent. All you have to do is be available within the business hours and have a physical business address for your corporation. However, if you are not available during business hours and you do not have a physical address, then using Tailor Brands to get you a registered agent would be the right choice. They'll basically handle all of your legal mail so you're not chasing down letters while trying to run your candle business. Who has time while you're trimming wicks, while you're packing orders to go rush into the USPS and gangbang on the post office employees? That's not necessary. You could just use your registered agent. I really love how Tailor Brands lets me know which licenses and permits that I actually need and the ones that I'm actually able to skip. This goes back to more time making candles and less time Googling or chat GPTing. Do I need a license to sell wax online? Am I moving weight illegally with these candles? Is the block hot? They'll guide you through everything you need to do to get a sales tax permit so you can legally sell candles and not get into some sort of side hustle with the IRS. I love that because then you're able to really leverage that permit within your large orders for vendors to become tax exempt. If you need help with that, I would definitely say check the candlemakingsurvivalguide.com. It'll show you exactly how to request vendors, hey, I'm tax exempt. I don't want to pay this extra $37 for my order. I've been making candles for 5 years and I never understood why we use candle lids except to protect the candle on the way to someone's house. So if I were to guess, I'd say insurance is just like that. A candle lid helping protect you until you get to your destination. It's actually one of the most common questions I get on my channel. What insurance? How do I file insurance? Do I need insurance? And Tailor Brands has you covered. I'm a candle maker, but as a business owner, accidents happen. Customers can claim anything, property damage, or even some sort of risk from your product. Tailor Brands Insurance protects your business legally and financially, covering liability so you can focus on creating without fear of losing everything you built. Separating my business account from my personal account is a non-negotiable, and it should be for you too, because a lot of these business accounts are reviewing your transactions and determining if you're using it for the right reason. Tailor Brands hooks you up with all the resources to get your business account rolling so you look legit when you pay suppliers. This also helps in the long run when you are applying for business funding. They're looking at your bank statements and they want to get an understanding of if you have any credit, if you have any positive relationships with vendors, so they know to trust you with money, grants, loans, cheddar, cheese, chicken.
Tailor Brands partners with Mercury and Bluevine. I personally have a Mercury account. Definitely recommend Mercury just as a business account. That's definitely a great resource for savings. But if you just want to house your income and keep track of your expenses, then Mercury is a great resource. It's very, very cost effective, free to sign up. There's no hidden fees. And Tailor Brands will import all of your details from your account to give you a head start. The application is pre-filled, and honestly, you will get approved just based upon having your EIN and your LLC in place with Tailor Brands.
Tailor Brands is not just about the legal side, it's about the glow up too. They have a logo maker, domain registration, a website builder, and even a business email. Nothing says professional like hello@sensavision.com rather than candlebay98@gmail.com. Comment if you're guilty. I see you, Miss at Gmail. Just as a rule of thumb, make sure you open your business account before you buy any business supplies. Nothing in your personal name. Then you also want to make sure that you set aside 20% of every sale for your taxes. Trust me, you will want to do that. You need to track every single expense to be deducted when the right time comes. Like even that $3 hot glue gun, anything, the wick stickers, everything.
Filing your taxes with Tailor Brands is a super easy process where you have the option of going through the prompts and doing this on your own or scheduling a consultation with a professional. Definitely recommend a professional. They will walk you through your specific business case and how you can take advantage of deductions as well as be mindful of any payments you need to make.
And last but certainly not least, you need to reinvest all of your profits into your business. That means you need to lock in, hustle, go to the farmers markets, do those in-person events, take the profit that you get and put it into your paid ads. And I better not see you on Amazon. Okay? Let go of the Amazon cart and actually invest in your business. So in less than a day, I went from, oh, I just have this great idea to I am official. Hello, I'm ready and open for business. No IRS, nobody's gonna be hounding me. Everybody trusts me. If you wanna start on your own, you need to stop being lazy, control the outcomes, sit down, grab yourself an espresso, turn off TikTok and make it happen. No excuses. I'm holding you accountable. You said you was gonna start last week. No, do it right now. And next week, I'm gonna dive deep into how to get influencers to promote your business. Trust me, you need to subscribe and make sure your notifications are turned on so you can gain access to how to ensure you're getting these reviews. If the video is already made, it'll probably be linked down below. I'll definitely come back and comment it so you can have access to it in case you were searching, because that is such an important thing to have. After you set up your business, you create your amazing products, you need to pay for ads, but you need organic advertising from social media influencers too. So definitely stay tuned for that. I hope you all enjoy the rest of your day, your week, your next hour. Believe greater is he that is in me than in the world. Shop bossvision.com for all things candles, ebooks, courses, and live your best life. Comment down below if you have any questions. I always respond to everyone. And I'll see you on my next video. Okay, bye. My heart, and I will be a temple, the dwelling place where you are.